YouTube. We back at Piedmont Dragway Funday Sunday Part 2. You with your boy Rashad Williams here. We about to go down this track. We about to see some cars, do some interviews.
We're having a 275 shootout. And then in the bikes, it's come to win. So whatever you got, whatever kind of bike you got, cut the win light on. Okay. They in lanes now, and the 275 is coming to the lane right now. We're getting to rock and roll. Carolina Sunday Funday, Piedmont Dragway, Extreme.
All right. Let's go, bro. Oh yeah, Boss Garage. Yeah. We got a little S10 right here. This thing's nice. Real nice. Got a Camaro. Don't ask me what gen, I forgot. But nice Camaro. Look like carbon fiber on the inside. Oh yeah, nice. With a chute on it, so you know he's fast. Real fast. What's going on? How you doing? How you doing? Put the put the slicks on the vet. I want to see what they doing on here with the Z06 supercharged. Right now we just ended round 1, so got your bikes over there. Come to win, baby. Come to win. Let's go, Boss Garage. They come to win, y'all. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Who y'all got? Left or right? Left or right? Put it in the comments. Left or right? Orange or green? Who y'all got? Oh, yeah.
That's the tune, the cross. We'll be right back to the cross. That's the tune now. That's the tune. That's the tune.
Alright, y'all. We got the cars coming up next. So we're gonna take a little break. But stay tuned. Let's stay tuned. Look at the lineup we got next. Oh yeah. Nice lineup coming up for y'all. Boss Garage, nice lineup. Everything from Mercedes, Fox bodies, smart car even lined up out here. Oh yeah. Bottoms up. Right lane, both. All right, who y'all got? Left or right lane? Left or right lane? Honestly, I'm gonna choose the right lane. If y'all know better, if anybody know better. Send them. Send them, he said. Send them. Anybody who can against me, put up $10 in the comments. Everybody going right lane. Let me down, man. That was a good one.
3 times versus slick.
Yeah. My man right there, he knew what time it was. He was already lined them up in the groove. He just... yeah, baby. Oh yeah, them Huntley boys out here. Them Huntley boys out here. Huntley boys on them four-wheelers, y'all. Watch out for them benches. Two strokes to get on you. Two strokes, two strokes. Love to watch her race on. Yeah, you think she gonna win? Got the right lane.
She won last time.
She won last time? Alright. She a good jockey. Let's go. Boss Garage is in the building. Always our home's track. Piedmont Driveway. Greensboro, North Carolina. Come to win bikes, baby. Come to win bikes. Come to win. He already got beat one time, but you know, that ain't neither here nor there. He fast though. Come to win, baby. All right, Boss Garage. About to go find Kevin. Just because it's an intermission, so you know what that means. Break time.
Make sure I give it to her.
Boss Garage crew.
Got a bunch of damn.
Boss Garage crew. Intermission. Somebody done broke something going down the track. I don't know what happened, but you know, Funday Sunday.
Funday Sunday.
He's going to a guy who's bidding.
All I can tell you.
This is the end of Funday Sunday Part 2 at Piedmont Dragway. You know, we did have the 275 with the come to win bikes. Have you seen the last 3 bikes there go down the track? Tested tune was great. Everything playing perfect. Weather beautiful. Wind blowing. You know it. Boss Garage in the building. Stay tuned, baby. Stay tuned.